Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. I'll be picking one card for your career situation, but your love reading is going to be elaborate reading. So it's going to be like a pick a card. I have 3 piles for y'all today. Whichever pile you want to watch, you can choose that pile and skip to the timestamp. I have given the timestamp in the description and you can watch that reading, guys. So let's start with your career situation. So one card for your career situation we'll be picking, guys. So this is the card for y'all. Let us see what is the card. It's 8 of Moons. So with this card in your career situation, guys, Scorpios, with this card, guys, I see that in your career you are getting back into the game. So things are falling into place and you have that better possibility towards success. You are healing from your situation, your past failures. You are able to see clearly what went wrong and you are realizing your mistakes and you're moving forward with much more vigor. And I see happiness and success with this card here, and you will be able to achieve your dreams, or you are on the path to achieve your dreams, and all that is right is slowly begin to fall into place. That is what I see with this card, guys, for your career situation. For your love reading, guys, stay tuned for that video that is coming up right now. You can choose a pile, skip to the timestamp and watch that video, guys. Don't miss on that reading because it's going to be a very elaborate reading, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have a reading like a pick a card. This is the first pile, this is the second pile, and this is the third pile. So I will be picking 3 cards from each deck, guys. You can choose the pile now. I'll be giving the timestamp in the description. You can skip to the timestamp and watch that pile, whichever you choose. So you can choose. I will start after a few seconds, guys. Okay, now let's start with the first pile. So I will keep these piles aside. We'll be picking 3 cards from each deck, guys. For those who have chosen this deck, the first deck, this is the reading for y'all, guys. So 3 cards for your love reading. This may be what your person thinks about you or what you think about your person. We will turn these cards now. It's 4 of Spheres, the Hangman in reverse, the Hierophant in reverse, guys. With this card, guys, the energy is this may be what you think about this person or what they think about you. In this connection, you see that both of you are unable to make the right decisions about this connection, what you need to do, what is your future and what is your plan of action in future. You are unable to see your future together. Something is obstructing you. Maybe, guys, maybe it may be because you feel that your person is too egoistic. They are not flexible and they are you both are unable to find that understanding with each other, and it may even be self-centered actions. Both of you may be selfish on certain things, or this person may be very selfish. So they don't have concerns on you, they are not worried about you, and they don't see the truth, they don't see your love maybe, and they are not willing to adapt to you or this connection. And maybe for some of you, this person may have some kind of weakness. It may be some minor illness they are having, or it may be some addictions, and this may be your energy or your person's energy. They may be trying to hide their negatives, these negative qualities with gifts. They may try to gift you every time they visit you, just to hide these things from you. Focus your attention on something else, try to focus. But these gifts are not out of love or kindness, but it may be to hide something and make you make you focus on something else. So they are using these gifts to turn your attention. So you have to be really careful, guys. So they just want you to have a better view about them. So that is the reason for these gifts. So they want to hide their true character, all that negative character, that irresponsibility they have in this connection. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen the first deck. Let us see what is the reading with the second card. This is our second card. So we'll be picking 3 cards from this deck, guys. Let us see what are the cards and what is the reading. So we'll be picking 3 cards from this deck. One more card. We will turn these cards now. Messenger of Earth, 7 of Water, and Temptation. With these cards for your love reading, guys, for those who have chosen this deck, this person and yourself, you have a very stable relationship, a stable connection. This person has that perseverance and grit. Whatever choices they make in life, they do it only when they have that inspiration to do it. The same way in this connection, they are very responsible. They are making those efforts needed, and they have dedication. They are devoted to you. They are trustworthy and loyal to you. So they love you truthfully, and they expect the same from you, guys. And in this connection, you are dreaming about them, or they are dreaming about you, and these dreams may come into reality if you are really flexible and open-minded to try new path in this connection, try new things, maybe work towards a better understanding. So you will be able to manifest those dreams into reality, guys. So you have to believe in the power of possibility today. That is also the energy here. So if you believe, you will be able to achieve all those dreams. And this person is very much attached to you. They may have that great attraction towards you. It may be a totally physical attraction or attraction to your character, something. They just cannot leave you alone. They just want to be there with you always. So this attraction is there in this connection. That is what I see here, guys. And they are always they find some reason to come and visit you and be with you. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your love reading. So let us see what is the reading with the other deck, the third deck, for those who have chosen the third deck. This is the third deck, guys. Let us see what are the cards with this deck. We'll be picking 3 cards. So this is the first card, this is the second card, and this is the third card. We will open these cards now. For your love energy, it's 5 of cups in reverse, 4 of wands in reverse, and 5 of pentacles in reverse. With these cards for your love reading, guys, in this connection, this person is projecting something falsely about themselves. Maybe you would have a different opinion about them because of the way they project themselves, project their character, but they are not showing you their true nature and true character, guys. And maybe you will come to know of it, and you may see that what you have between you, it may not be love, guys. It may be it may not be based on the true self. So whatever love or affection you share with each other, it is not based on that strong foundation. So this person is not showing you their true characters, and you may see troubles in your connection. Some misunderstandings or arguments may happen because of that. But though these are the energy, maybe if you are single, you may be getting a visit from your ex, your past person. They are coming back to you to visit you, tell you something. So that is also the energy here. Or if you are even in a relationship, somebody from your past is coming to visit you, guys, and that may be the reason for some happiness I see today for you. So you are feeling happy because of this person's visit, and maybe for some of you, you would have expected this person to come back to you, your ex. So that is what is happening. But with this present connection, if you are in a connection, I see troubles, guys. You are not able to find that understanding and compatibility, and maybe you are hiding something about yourself, or this person is hiding something about themselves. So truth is not being revealed. That is the reason you do not share a great compatibility in this connection, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this third deck. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. If you like this kind of reading, guys, please comment. I'll be doing more of such readings, love readings for you all. Thank you, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.